In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any Google Slides presentation into a clean, shareable PDF that looks great on any device and is easy to send, print, or upload. First, head over to Google Slides in your web browser. You can use any modern browser, and if you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account. Once you're on the Google Slides home screen, you have two options for the presentation you want to convert. If you're starting fresh, open a blank presentation or pick a template that matches your content. Templates can save time and keep your slides consistent, so choose one with layouts that fit your images, charts, or text. Add your content, check that your titles and body text are aligned, and make sure images are clear and not stretched. If you're planning to print the PDF later, it helps to keep important content away from the edges so nothing looks cramped. If your presentation already exists, simply click it from the recent section. This is the quickest way to jump back into a deck you've been working on. Take a moment to confirm you opened the correct file by glancing at the title bar and the first slide. It's a good idea to flip through your slides to ensure everything looks final before exporting. When you're ready to create the PDF, move your mouse to the top left of the screen and click File. This opens the main menu for actions like sharing, making a copy, and downloading. From there, hover over or click Download. You'll see a list of formats you can export to, including Microsoft PowerPoint and image files. Choose PDF. Google Slides will generate a PDF version of your presentation using your current slide layouts and design. Most browsers will start downloading the file immediately. The PDF will usually take the same name as your presentation, and you'll find it in your browser's default downloads location. If your presentation includes links, they'll remain clickable in the PDF, and fonts are typically preserved as they appear in slides. Keep in mind that animations and slide transitions don't carry over to PDF since it's a static format. Before you share or print, give the PDF a quick review to confirm slide order, page breaks, and image clarity. If something looks off, return to your slides file, make adjustments, and export again. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Slides, open your presentation, and use File Download PDF to create a polished, portable document.